So whenever bad times come to you, you remain right. When things go wrong, you remain right. The tough people. सुनंदा, तुम कितनी खूबसूरत हो, ऐश्वर्या राय की छोटी बहन लगती हो। काश तुम इतनी सुंदर अंदर से भी होती तो कितना अच्छा होता। बैड न्यूज़। व्हाट इज सैंडविच? बेटे पिछली बार आपके नंबर अच्छे आए थे ना फर्स्ट टर्म में? हाँ पापा। इस बार गेम्स पे ज़्यादा ध्यान रहा ना, अच्छे नंबर नहीं आए? हाँ पापा। पर फाइनल में अच्छे नंबर लाने हैं ना? पक्का पक्का? प्रॉमिस? सैंडविच। In between there was a criticism. He did not even know about it and he ate it. Between two praises, put one criticism. Be diplomatic in criticism and be frank in praise. My dear friends, it's very important to understand that people have to be praised along with their contribution, but criticism should be only of the result, not of the man. When somebody praises you, always say thank you. Always say thank you. My last point is ethics. Ethics is being honest. There are Durga Shakti Nagpals in this country. There are many, many honest people in this country. All of you are bound to be very honest people because we don't want to be thieves in the eyes of God and ourselves. Because at least He is watching you. एक संत ने अपने 2 शिष्यों को कहा, ये 2 कबूतर हैं, इनको कहीं ऐसी जगह ले जाओ जब कोई ना देखे और मारा हो। एक संत गया, एक शिष्य गया और कहा सीढ़ियों के नीचे कोई नहीं था साहब, मैंने इसे गर्दन दबा दी, मरा हुआ कबूतर ले आया हूँ। दूसरा आया ही नहीं वापस। रात को थका मांदा हारा जिंदा कबूतर लेके ले आया, कहा गुरुदेव माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, मैं कहीं पर भी ऐसी जगह नहीं पा सका जहाँ मैं देखूँ कि ईश्वर नहीं देख रहा है। पर गुरुदेव ईश्वर देख रहा हो या ना देख रहा हो, ये बेचारा तो देख रहा था ना, मैं नहीं मार सका इसे। गुरु ने दूसरे दिन गद्दी दे दी। I'll give you one example of honesty.
We are spellbound, aren't we? After having heard these mesmerizing words, there's nothing left for me to say now, but a whole world of wisdom for each one of us to contemplate on, to learn from, to inculcate, to imbibe, and to follow in order to build a positive personality. Thank you, sir, for enriching us and finally giving us this motto, never, never, never give up. We are spellbound, we are enriched, we are enlightened by your insightful talk. I thank you once again for giving us your precious time and coming here to enlighten all of us. Thank you very much.
Of LNMIT, where you learn about innovation and imagination. Okay, what do you understand by entrepreneurship? Give me one word you associate with entrepreneur. Anybody? I want some response, come on. What do you understand by entrepreneurship? Yes?
Self-finance business.
Okay, self-finance business. Yes?
Convert idea into business.
Convert ideas into business, yes? Very good. So basically an entrepreneur is an initiator. What I understand by an entrepreneur is that he's not only a person who is involved with business, stocks and finance. He is a person who embraces ambiguity and is ready to take up challenges and risks.
To LNMIT. So coming to ECEL, it was started in 2006 by YO6 batch of LNMIT. So some basic idea of ECEL is given to you by Anushri. More you will get to learn with the as science classes, you will get to learn more about ECEL. So I'll give you a basic more idea about what eCell is. It is a platform that provides students to come up with an idea that maybe sometimes you go here and there. Like if we take an example of Mark Zuckerberg, he was just he wanted to write something about one of his friends. He wanted to publicize it, so he used a medium, and today we known that medium as Facebook. If that idea didn't strike Mark Zuckerberg's mind, so you won't be connected to your friends all over the world today. So basically, it gives a platform to you all to develop that idea, and we can help you out to make that idea implement in your life. It helps you to learn many things about corporate world, about marketing, finance, and most important, innovation and whatnot. It also helps you to develop communication skills, leadership skills, helps you to understand how to work as a team or how to work in a team, because after your BTech, you will be entering the corporate world. So you need to work in a team, or you will be a leader of your team. So it helps you to work in a team. So, as you can see, these are some of the events eCell organizes every year. The most important event is B-Plan competition. Anyone of you aware of what is B-Plan? Anyone? Basically, it is a platform which gives you, it is a platform given to you where you can put your ideas on paper. Second, Model United Nations. It is the most popular format of formal debating where you represent various countries.